Hey everybody, it's Scott with Heritage Homestead. Today we're taking a look at the Rhino Rescue IFAK kit. So, standard kit, MOLLE straps, bi-directional MOLLE straps, so it can go horizontal or vertical. Inside of this kit, you got some extra loops and straps, a nice pull out for quick takeaways, bandages, duct tape, some gauze, tourniquet, gloves, all your quick needs. So this is your emergency bandage. Scissors, we've got compressed gauze, nasal tubes, we've got emergency blanket, a vented chest seal. You've got shears for clothing. There's the lube for the nose tube, a pin for marking your tourniquet, and again, this is the Rhino Rescue IFAK. Don't forget, Scott15 is the code to use at their store. Scott15 gets you 15% off.